In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the benefits and considerations of upgrading from an HDD to an SSD. Whether you're seeking faster boot times, quicker application launches, or more reliable storage, an SSD upgrade could be the solution you need. Let's start by understanding the performance difference between SSDs and HDDs. An SSD, or solid-state drive, is dramatically faster than a traditional hard disk drive. In fact, SSDs can be up to 100 times faster, with read speeds reaching up to 238.4 megabytes per second. In contrast, an HDD typically clocks in at around 57.01 megabytes per second. What does this mean for you? Well, with an SSD, your computer can boot up in mere seconds compared to several minutes with an HDD. Imagine turning on your computer and being ready to work or play in an instant. Applications and files load almost immediately, eliminating those frustrating waiting times. Now, let's talk about choosing between these two types of drives. If speed and responsiveness are your top priorities, an SSD is the way to go. It's a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their computer's performance. However, if you're working with a tighter budget and need a lot of storage space, an HDD might be more suitable. It provides a cost-effective solution for bulk storage, given its lower cost per terabyte. For those of you who want a balanced solution, consider a dual drive setup. This means using a smaller SSD for your operating system and frequently used applications, coupled with a larger HDD for storing larger files like photos, videos, and backups. This way you can enjoy the speed of an SSD while having ample storage space. Aside from speed, SSDs have other compelling benefits. They are typically more reliable because they don't have any moving parts. This makes them less susceptible to physical shock or failure, which is a common concern with traditional HDDs. Furthermore, SSDs are more power efficient. This is particularly advantageous for laptop users, as it can lead to longer battery life, minimizing the need to constantly find a power outlet and allowing for extended usage on the go. Ultimately, upgrading to an SSD is highly recommended for anyone seeking a noticeable boost in performance. Whether you're into gaming, office work, or general use, the enhancement in speed and responsiveness is undeniable. It makes every task feel faster and more efficient. If you do require massive storage for things like archives or backups, pairing an SSD with an HDD offers the most practical and high-performing setup. By making the switch, you're sure to enjoy a more seamless and enjoyable computing experience.